this video, I'm going to show you how to make an image slanted on Canva. So on your project, of course, you have some images there. Let us try, for example, this sun here. Would like to make it slanted. You can rotate it, just clicking on this icon here, 80 degrees, 90 degrees, and whatever angle you'd like it to be. Now, to make it slanted, you'll need to go to your sidebar and click on Apps. There, search Skew Image, and you'll see this like candy logo. Yeah, you'll see that candy logo. And as you can see in these examples here, you can make your images slanted. Let's open that. Let us choose a file. Okay, so let's use this Kanroji image that I created. Oh, as you can see there, we have that horizontal skew. It's 10 degrees. Let's try the vertical one. It's 0. Okay. Okay. You can make it like that while it's making. Let us add that to the design if you are already satisfied with how it looks like. And voila, you already have it. Just like that. Hmm. That's about it. That's how you can make an image slanted on Canva. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.